So there's one other issue that we need to address, and that is down in that corner there, and also in the bedroom here. Over here in this corner, I know we moved the wall, but since we sealed up all the floors, there's cable for a TV to go up on this wall, and there's cable for one of these rooms, and there's no cable for a TV in here. It also, since they do multiple cables, this is where I was going to have the internet put in down here. So all those cables are underneath the house. So when your electrician comes back, we need to poke a hole up here somewhere in the wall for the Cox guy to come in and add the cable for the TV and the internet.